Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Acura TL headlights. First, park your Acura TL on a flat, level surface, about 25 feet from a wall. Ensure your tire pressure is correct and the fuel tank is at least half full for accurate measurements. Turn on your low beams. Now, measure the distance from the ground to the center of your headlight lens and mark this height on the wall with tape. Next, open your Acura TL's hood to expose the headlight assemblies. You'll typically find 2 adjustment screws for each headlight. One screw controls the vertical aim, moving the beam up or down. The other screw manages the horizontal aim, shifting the beam left or right. These are usually plastic or metal Phillips head screws, sometimes requiring a 10mm socket. Now, let's adjust the beams. For vertical adjustment, turn the appropriate screw to raise or lower the light pattern on the wall. Aim for the top of the brightest part of the beam to be just below your marked line. For horizontal adjustment, turn the other screw to move the beam left or right, centering it in front of your vehicle. Make small adjustments and recheck from 25 feet. After adjusting, take your Acura TL for a test drive on a dark road to ensure the headlights provide optimal visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. Fine-tune as needed until you achieve a safe and effective beam pattern. Remember, proper headlight aim is crucial for both your safety and the safety of others on the road. Also, life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.